And we cut across to breaking news coming in. The NIA heat on Sachin Waze's team continues. Two more CIU members, Kazi and Kotwal, are being interrogated at the NIA. Meanwhile, forensic team from Forensic Science Lab has been called in to examine the cars at NIA. Now, according to sources, another high-end luxury car used by Waze is under the scanner and could be brought to the NIA next. I'm bringing in my colleagues Yesha and Alisha, who are joining us on the broadcast. Yesha, first, what are the updates you have from outside the NIA office as the investigation continues?
That's right. So as of now, say around an hour back, a team of forensics laboratory, around 8 members of the team have just entered the NIA office. Now, what's important to note here, the fact that they've entered the NIA office is because this particular green Scorpio, which was found near Ambani's Antilla residence on February 25th, the police had demanded for a forensic report of that particular Scorpio. Now, currently, inside the NIA office, there are 2 more cars, which is the white Innova, in which this particular person who was driving the green Scorpio sat and left, and the other black Mercedes, which is in the NIA custody, and which the NIA official said was being driven by Sachin Waze himself. There were certain recoveries made from that. So considering that the FSL team is inside right now, there's a possibility that they could further examine this. Also, like you've mentioned, what we've got to know from the sources, and like Alisha will mention that there's a possibility of another car which was seized by NIA to be bought inside this particular NIA office. So with the fact that over the last 2-3 days there have been major recoveries that have been taking place at NIA office, the fact that FSL team is there, it could solve a lot of puzzles. Like there have been a lot of loose ends in this case, for that matter, to connect the fact that there already been 3 cars, and like we know that from this particular black Mercedes, which is parked inside the NIA compound, they had tried to get the fingerprints. So the fact that forensics team is here, they could ascertain whether it was actually Sachin Waze who was driving the car, what was the link of Sachin Waze in the entire Antilla bomb scare case, how are these 3 cars linked? Because the entire mystery and the answer to all the questions related to Antilla bomb scare is in these vehicles, about who drove them, who bought the vehicles to that particular spot, as to from where and where they were taken. In fact, when it came to that particular green Scorpio, details such as right from the blood marks or say a hair or fingerprints were asked by the FSL team. This particular FSL team, which is from Kalina, they were asked to submit a report on it, which is why now the fact that they are here, there's a possibility of them examining the other 2 vehicles. Yes.
Yesha, it's a can of worms that is opening bit by bit with every passing day, and just too many mysteries that are coming to fore. Obviously, they are trying to untangle all those knots and joining the dots to where exactly and what exactly this leads to and began from. But again, as we are trying to join the dots, what you're picking up from your sources in the NIA, 2 more officers of the CIU being questioned, anything that they have revealed, another particular car in question. What next on that?
So among the 2 officials from CIU who went inside, there's a possibility that one of them could be Sachin Waze's driver. In that case, he'd be questioned to the fact as to why these cars were used. So according to the sources that we got to know, this particular car, the black Mercedes-Benz, was parked inside the Mumbai police, that is the CP office compound. Now here, the fact that these officers are being called in, the CIU officers are being called in, the fact that where these cars were taken, also what we got to know from Mumbai police sources was that the other vehicles which were being parked inside the CP compound, that is, and were used by Sachin Waze, would also be taken under the scanner. So here it is the fact that the CIU team, the team which would work under Sachin Waze, is being questioned so that they could ascertain as to what the role of Sachin Waze was, what all he was involved in. Because when Riaz Kazi was also questioned, he was asked about the CCTV footage at Sachin Waze's society.
And yes, as many reports suggest that this could be a much bigger net than what it looks like at the moment. For now, Yesha, thank you for joining us, getting us the updates. We move on.